Celebrations in the Libyan capital Tripoli began on Sunday as fireworks erupted in the skies above Martyrs Square, welcoming the third anniversary of the uprising that saw the fall of Muammar Gaddafi. People danced and sang as they waved flags in the air, while cars in packed streets honked their horns.
For me, today delights my conscience and my heart. It reminds me of moments of our liberation and historic moments in this nation that will be written in history for the coming generations.
Today, my happiness is indescribable. I feel great joy. What can I say? I hope that my country will be united together. And may God protect all Libyans from the east to the west, from the south to the north. May God protect them all, elders and youngsters.
But even as many celebrate, the North African country is caught up in chaos. Lawlessness is an everyday concern, with the latest example coming on Friday when the government and armed forces denied rumors of an impending coup after a retired general called for parliament and the government to be suspended. The government remains weak and is unable to control groups of militias who roam the streets wreaking havoc on citizens. Politicians, security officials, journalists, judges, even the US ambassador have been gunned down. Even the Prime Minister Ali Zaidan was briefly kidnapped in October by members of one of the militias that fought to oust Gaddafi. The state of lawlessness has taken a heavy toll on the country's economy. Disgruntled citizens have managed to blockade and shut down Libya's oil terminals, threatening to bankrupt the government, which relies almost exclusively on oil revenues to operate. But despite the challenges, Libyans are still hopeful that their dreams of a better life will eventually be realized. Susan Mwongeli, CCTV.